Okay, I'm going to share with you the answers of page number 30. That was your task that I have given you yesterday. You have to tell me the processes, as I told you, you tell me the processes which is happening during this. A block of butter turns into liquid butter. जब सॉलिड बटर लिक्विड बटर में कन्वर्ट होती है तो प्रोसेस क्या होता है? द नेम ऑफ द प्रोसेस इज melting. When solid changes into a liquid, the process is called as melting. So you have to write in your workbooks, the process is melting. So you can write it with the pen. Now you can write it with the pen. A block of butter turns into liquid butter. The process is melting. Next is sauce turns into steam. When sauce turns into a steam, the process is what will be the process? Sauce turns into a liquid. Who is going to answer this? Anasha. Anasha, answer this.
Evaporation.
Shariar, you answer this. What will be the process?
Evaporation.
Sauce is turning into a steam. Murtaza, what will be the answer?
Evaporation. Miss, evaporation.
Yes, you have to write here.
Evaporation.
Good. Anasha, Shariar, Murtaza, good. Write here evaporation with the pen. Now I'm correcting the answers or telling you the answers, so now you can write with the pen. Next is liquid water turns into ice. Alvina, what will be the answer?
Freezing.
Liquid water turning into ice, the process is freezing. So you all have to write here with the pen, freezing. Good, Alvina. Next, we having Zainab. You having a question? Okay, next we having a process. Liquid water converts into or turns into steam. What is the process? Aiza, Imran, you answer this, beta. Aiza, what is
Evaporation.
liquid water turns into steam? The process is
Evaporation.
yes, evaporation. Evaporation. You all have to write with the pen. Evaporation. Good. Okay, next is solid ice. Solid ice cream turns into liquid ice cream. Solid ice cream is turning into a liquid ice cream. Hanan Umar, answer this question, Hanan.
Melting.
Ice cream that is solid is converting into a liquid ice cream. The process is melting. So write with the pen on your workbooks, melting. Next, water vapors turns into dew. What is the process? Harim. All of you keep your mics open. Only those are allowed to open their mics whom I am asking the question. Harim. Water vapors turning into dew. What is the process?
Miss.
Ibrahim, what is the process?
Miss is condensation.
Yes,
Miss,
the
condensation.
process is condensation. All of you keep your mics off. Only those are allowed to open their mics whom I'm asking the question. So process here is condensation. When water vapors converting into or turning into a dew, the process is condensation. Okay, next is orange juice turns into ice slowly. Orange juice. Samir, answer this question. Orange juice turns into ice slowly.
Freezing.
Yes, the answer is freezing. Process is freezing. You have to write here freezing. Good. Next and the last one we having wet paint turns into dry paint. Wet paint turns into dry paint. Munibur Rahman. Zille Huma. Zille Huma, beta, answer this question. Wet paint turns into dry paint.
Condensation.
No, it's a wrong answer.
Miss,
Reem Ashfaq, answer this question. Reem Ashfaq, beta, answer this question.
Miss, freezing.
Wet, no.
Miss.
Wet paint turns into dry paint. G. Aiza, answer this question.
Evaporation.
Yes, the answer is evaporation. So I am hoping that all of you have written the correct answers in your workbooks. Yesterday I gave you the assignment for these two pages, page number 29 and page number 30. Today I am going to check your assignments and I am going to give you the marks according to that, or grades or comments according to that. Today we are going to start page number 31 of your workbook, design and experiment. All of you open page number 31 now.
Miss,
All
what
of
do
you
you
open page number 31. Design and experiment. Okay. Let's start. An experiment tries to show how something is science happens. By now you should have done lots of experiment. Now it's your turn to design an experiment. Your experiment has to show how one of three following things happen. Somebody having a question? Miss, what is the last answer? Alvina is asking about the last answer. That is evaporation, Alvina. Reem, open mic. That is on left side. Then you will be able to hear me. Okay. So it's your assignment. It's your today's assignment that you have to do an experiment. You can choose any one from these 4 experiments. Okay, it's up to you. Ibrahim, Abdul Rahman, Aiza, Alvina, Anasha, Ayan Yunus, Hanan, Harim, Murtaza, Linta, Maheen, Reem, Samir, Shahriyar, Usman, Zainab, Munibur Rahman and Zille Huma. You all are present in my class and I'm assigning you the presentation or the experiment. You have to perform this experiment and make a video. Why you are doing this experiment with explanation. आपने एक वीडियो प्रिपेयर करनी है। ये एक्सपेरिमेंट करते हुए आप मेल्टिंग का एक्सपेरिमेंट भी चूज कर सकते हैं, फ्रीजिंग का भी, कंडेंसेशन का भी, इवेपोरेशन का भी। You know all these processes. Melting is basically the conversion of solid into liquid. Freezing is the conversion of liquid into solid, and condensation is the conversion of steam gas into liquid, and evaporation is the conversion of liquid into gas. तो आप इन सारे प्रोसेसेस में से कोई भी एक प्रोसेस सिलेक्ट कर सकते हैं अपनी प्रेजेंटेशन के लिए, और उस एक्सपेरिमेंट को परफॉर्म करते हुए यू हैव टू मेक अ वीडियो एंड एक्सप्लेन योर एक्सपेरिमेंट दैट व्हाट यू आर डूइंग। In your workbook you have to write these things while you are doing your experiment, कि आपने इन वर्कबुक के इन स्टेप्स को भी फिल करना है, ठीक है। What you will need, for example you are selecting the process that is melting. आप एक्सपेरिमेंट सेलेक्ट करते हैं मेल्टिंग का, तो मेल्टिंग का एक्सपेरिमेंट करते हुए आपको क्या क्या रिक्वायरमेंट्स हैं आपकी, आपको किन किन चीजों की जरूरत है। फॉर एग्जाम्पल आप मेल्टिंग कर रहे हैं बटर की, तो व्हाट you will need, आप यहाँ लिखेंगे बटर, you need a pan, you need a heat। तो आपको इस प्रोसेस के दौरान जिन जिन चीजों की जरूरत है you have to write in these lines. After that what you will do, आप क्या करेंगे, you have to write here step by step कि सबसे पहले आपने क्या करना है। फर्स्ट स्टेप में you are going to take the pan, then you are going to take the butter, then you are putting the butter in the pan, then you are providing heat to the butter. After that butter will convert into liquid. So in this way you have to write कि आप क्या करने जा रहे हैं। In the last you have to write what happened. Aiza, I will hear your question. Let me finish this, okay? After that you are going to write what happened. आपने ये एक्सपेरिमेंट किया, आपने उस पर प्रेजेंटेशन देनी है, एक पूरा एक्सपेरिमेंट परफॉर्म करते हुए वीडियो प्रिपेयर करनी है। उसके साथ साथ जब आप वो कर लें आपने लिखना है कि व्हाट यू विल नीड, आपको क्या चीजों की रिक्वायरमेंट थी, आपने ये किन स्टेप्स के साथ ये एक्सपेरिमेंट किया है, और इन लास्ट ये एक्सपेरिमेंट करने से एंड द रिजल्ट क्या कंक्लूजन निकला, व्हाट हैपेंड। यानी कि आप लिखेंगे कि अगर आपकी बटर मेल्ट हो गई है तो आप लिखेंगे। आप कोई भी प्रोसेस सेलेक्ट कर सकते हैं, मेल्टिंग इट्स अप टू यू, फ्रीजिंग नो इश्यू, आप फ्रीजिंग सेलेक्ट कर लें कोई बात नहीं। आप फ्रीजिंग सेलेक्ट करते हैं तो दैट मीन्स यू आर टेकिंग एनी काइंड ऑफ अ लिक्विड एनीथिंग एंड पुटिंग इनटू अ रेफ्रिजरेटर, देन यू आर फ्रीजिंग इट, और आफ्टर सम टाइम यू हैव टू शो दैट कि आपका जो है सब्सटेंस, आपका जो मटेरियल है वो फ्रीज आउट हो गया। तो आप जो भी एक्सपेरिमेंट करेंगे उसकी प्रॉपर वीडियो बनाएंगे, और उस वीडियो के अगर पोर्शंस हैं तो उन्हें प्रॉपरली ज्वाइन करके एक इफेक्टिव सी एक्सपेरिमेंटल वीडियो मेरे साथ गूगल क्लासरूम पर सब शेयर करेंगे। इट विल टेक 20 मार्क्स। योर दिस प्रेजेंटेशन, योर दिस एक्सपेरिमेंट हैविंग 20 मार्क्स। आप इवेपोरेशन का प्रोसेस भी सिलेक्ट कर सकते हैं, कंडेंसेशन का भी कर सकते हैं। कंडेंसेशन भी आप शो कर सकते हैं कि while you are boiling the water and putting the lid on the boiling water, after some time you will see the lid will contain the drops of the water. So आप जब lid हटाकर देखेंगे, अगर आपकी lid है तो आप देखेंगे कि उस पर वो drops होंगे liquid के, तो that means the steam that is evaporating while you are boiling the water is converted into a liquid. So you have to do this experiment. This is your today's assignment. Next page is also about an experiment making it red inside a jar. This experiment is basically related to the condensation. So I am just explaining you this experiment. You can try this at your homes. So let's see. What you need to do this. An empty Pyrex jar. Pyrex glassware के materials को कहा जाता है जो glass के बने हुए jars होते हैं। A metal lid for the jar. इस जार के लिए आपको एक मेटल की लिड चाहिए। An empty tin can. एक आपको empty tin का कैन चाहिए जो आपने इसके ऊपर प्लेस करना है। Some ice cubes. आपको कुछ ice cubes चाहिए। I will take your questions. Let me finish this, students. उस टिन के कैन में you have to place ice cubes, और आपको इस जार में hot water लेना है, very hot water. जब आप इसमें hot water लेंगे, that will convert into steam, and when the water is converting into a vapors, into a steam, then it will be hit with the cap or the lid of this jar, due to the cold temperature, due to this ice that is placed at the top of this jar, this steam will convert into liquid. ये steam जो है, जो इस hot water से release हुई है, steam के molecules convert हो जाएंगे liquid में. This is the process of condensation. So what you will do, ask an adult to help you pour half a cup of very hot water into a Pyrex jar, cover the jar with the metal lid, fill the tin can with the ice cubes and place it on the lid. What will you see? Water droplets will form on the lid inside the jar and it will appear to be raining. Can you explain how this happened? So this is an experiment. You try this and explain what will happen, why the rain is falling. This is basically a process of condensation. So you have to explain the process of condensation in this experiment.